We introduce yet again another Oral-B product, but this time it's at a budget which should suit us all. This is the Oral-B Vitality Pro Electric Toothbrush by Braun. All Braun electric toothbrushes that I have seen are branded as Pro, but I'm not sure why. You can grab this for £25, which is peanuts for a branded electric toothbrush. Might not be the best out there, but it's available and it's an Oral-B branded product. The packaging is sleek, smart and slim. We love the texture and the touch feels premium, especially at this price mark. You get an extra toothbrush head, which is good as these things can cost a fortune. You have 3 cleaning modes, but more on that later. You have the standard package contents and product bigging up information on the sides. Noteworthy is that you get a 2-year warranty with this item. At the back you have some important product information. It has a 2-minute timer which pauses every 30 seconds so you brush all 4 mouth areas. A waterproof handle which is very handy as you will most definitely be putting this product in direct contact with water, and finally up to 10 days battery life, which is very impressive. Now let's pull this product out to reveal its package contents. It is an all black product, and as you guys know well, black is one of our favorite colors here on this channel. What you get inside is the 2 brush heads, one in white and one in black, and if you look closely, the bristle designs are not the same. They are ever so slightly different. The black one is a common design as I have seen before, but I must say I have not seen the white one before. Nevertheless, both are branded and are the Oral-B real deal. Next you have the charging station, or you can call it the charging dock. It's your standard 2-pin charger, so you will need the UK adapter for this if you are in the UK. I really think it should be included, but I guess it's not. You get the additional 1-year warranty booklet, which is good, along with the user manual. Pretty common sense stuff, but you decide if you need to read it. Then finally to the toothbrush itself, a glorified black with an all-round grip. Let's talk design first. We like the color scheme, we like the look and feel. We love the rubber grip all around, but one thing we don't like is the bulk at the top end. Don't see why it needs to stick out so much. All in all, a very light and conveniently designed electric toothbrush. Now we know it has 3 modes, let's quickly run through these. The first one is Sensitive Plus, and straight up we notice that the vibration is not rigorous, and that is obvious. Sensitive Plus is for the most sensitive teeth, and it is brilliant that you have this option. You don't want to go through pain, so this would be perfect for you. One thing I would say for the most sensitive users is to make sure you use this setting with the correct toothbrush head, Sensitive Plus mode with a Sensitive Plus brush head. Next up you have sensitive mode, and this is where you can feel some force. This is most likely for the majority of users, the ones whose teeth are not too sensitive but we still feel a chill when eating ice cream. Again, just be cautious with the toothbrush head you use. A proper experience requires the proper tools. Finally, we have daily clean. This is where you feel the most brute force from this toothbrush. This seems a bit too rigorous for me personally, but that's because I like eating ice cream. You can use almost any toothbrush head with this, heck even try barbed wire. Joking? Please don't do that. The toothbrush is smaller than the Pro 3 3500, but where it lacks in length, it makes up in width. It is certainly louder than the Pro 3 3500 on the daily clean setting. Would I use this or the Oral-B Pro 3 3500 toothbrush? I would use the latter, but if I was on a budget, I would go for this. So what does the Vitality Pro lack? The fact it does not have a teeth whitening mode. It also lacks a charging light, which the Pro 3 3500 has, but most of all, it does not have the ring light at the top, which prevents you from brushing too hard. The Pro 3 3500 has this feature, and I honestly have to say it is a lifesaver. Overall, it is a good toothbrush which sits in your hand nice and comfortably thanks to its all-round grip. The design is nice, although we have seen better designs. Is it a good buy? For £25 it is a brilliant buy as it has all the minimum essential requirements. All that with a 10 days battery life. This is sure to last you years and has a great return on investment. This is the unboxing beard, and we just unboxed the Oral-B Vitality Pro electric toothbrush.